Unboxing?
Unbox.
Woohoo! Let's see what we got this time.
It's got a packing slip.
Well, had a packing slip.
Boring.
Oh, and lots of cushion for the box.
Good. 5DL SDL4.101 whatever. Ooh, it's powder coated. You want to hand model that? By all means.
Ooh, and we'll do a little turn. It's a nice piece of hardware.
It's very nice. Nothing but Ethernet plugs. That's interesting. On a previously unrecorded episode of the Unbox show, we also received this. This is a display adapter for a computer. It only has an Ethernet connection on it. An Ethernet cable is all you need to run through all of your swing arms. So all of the jumping through hoops that Carl and I did in our previous video could have been solved. The lesson learned is that this is way better than a heavy SDL cable. This can go through any little conduit, no problem. This cable is 10 or 15 meters long. Hook it up, plug it in, it's done.
Ready
Get
to
it that way
rock.
from the beginning. Well worth the extra cash. See you next time.
Later.